How to download all of your Facebook data. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, move into menu at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the square icon at the top right. Head over to See More in Account Centers, and then move into Your Information and Permissions. Now tap on Download Your Information at the very top. Once again, click on Download or Transfer Information. Select your Facebook account and then tap on Next. Now you have to choose Available Information at the very top. It will cover all the information. Once done, tap on Download to device. Now you have to select the date range where you want to get notified, format, and also media quality. Once done, tap on Create Files at the bottom. And within 24 hours, you'll receive one files on your email address. Move into that email address and you'll have the access to all the information of your Facebook, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.